To attach our panels, we're going to be using a little bit of glue and 5/8 inch brad nails. Our glue will be applied around the rabbet cut. We'll sit our panel in place and we will tack it down with a couple 5/8 inch brad nails. Two critical components to this process. Number one, do not use very much glue. It is very difficult to wipe the glue and sand in that corner on the reverse side of our panel. Secondly, if we brad nail our panel in, but we angle the nail towards the center of the panel, they'll shoot out the front. We want to make sure that we are angling the brad nails slightly towards our rabbet cut. Additionally, I recommend not putting glue very close to the corners because it always tends to squeeze out there. Once we have glued all the way around, we can gently set our panel in place. And again, when we are putting the brad nails in, we want to make sure they are located close to the outside, and we want to slightly angle the brad nailer to ensure that we are shooting the brad nails into the rabbet cut, not into the panel. Otherwise it will shoot through the front of the panel. Each side should only take about 2 or 3 nails. The only purpose of the brad nails is to hold the panel in place while the glue is drying. Once you have brad nailed the panels in, you want to flip it and check to see if any glue has oozed out. As you can see, we have a little bit of glue that has oozed out, and we need to make sure that we wipe this extremely good. Once it dries, it's basically impossible to get that clean, because if you try sanding it, you're going to sand through the plywood panel. If you leave the glue on there, when you stain, the glue does not absorb the stain, so it will leave a big eyesore right there. So it is critical that any glue that has oozed out gets wiped clean. And we will repeat this whole process for installing the panels with each additional panel.